Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things in a relationship, but somehow it just doesn't work out? You've been told to be nice, give her space, or just be yourself, only to find yourself left confused, frustrated, or heartbroken. Sound familiar? What if I told you that everything you've learned about attracting women is completely wrong? Stick around, because in this video, I'm about to uncover the real truths about what women find irresistible. Truths they don't talk about, but every man needs to know. Trust me, this could completely change the way you think about dating and relationships. And hey, if you're ready to watch this video until the very end, because you won't want to miss a second, drop a quick "I'm ready" in the comments below. Alright, let's get real for a moment. The dating game? It's rigged. And spoiler alert, it's not in your favor. Have you ever noticed that the men who seem to get it, who seem to have women gravitating toward them, aren't exactly following the so-called rules? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. Women themselves often don't even realize why they're drawn to certain men. And that's exactly what I'm breaking down for you today. We're diving into the biggest secrets about what women truly desire. Secrets that will help you create deeper, more meaningful connections. And no, this isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction and using it to build something real. Ready to level up? Smash that like button if you're already feeling the value, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw, honest, and practical advice that actually works in today's world. Alright, let's dive in. Secret number 1. The Steadfast Man: Why Consistency Makes You Irresistible. Here's the deal. Women today are bombarded with options. Dating apps, DMs, compliments from strangers, you name it. Yet most guys still fail in the dating game. Why? Because they're inconsistent. Flaky, unreliable, and all over the place. This is what women are used to, and guess what? They notice. Women don't trust easily because so many guys don't follow through. Whether it's disappearing after a few dates or not keeping their promises, this kind of behavior puts women on guard. But here's the flip side. A man who is steadfast, consistent, and reliable, he stands out like a lighthouse in a storm. Being steadfast isn't just about showing up on time, it's about showing up in all aspects of your life. If you say you'll text her later, do it. If you promise to call at 8 p.m., be there at 8 p.m. It's about being dependable, someone she can count on no matter what. Women are drawn to men who stick to their word because reliability is one of the most attractive traits in today's fast-paced, often superficial dating world. So start small, build trust with consistency, and watch how her respect and admiration for you grow. Secret number 2. Confidence. The key to unlocking her attraction. We've all heard it. Confidence is attractive. But let's dig deeper. What does that really mean? True confidence isn't about being arrogant or loud. It's that quiet, unshakable belief that you're enough just as you are. And let me tell you, that kind of confidence, it's rare. Most men rely on external things for validation, how they look, their job, their status. But here's the hard truth. If those things disappear, so does their confidence. Genuine confidence comes from within. It's about knowing your worth regardless of what's happening around you. When you're that guy, the one who doesn't crumble under rejection or setbacks, you become magnetic. Why? Because women are dealing with their own insecurities. When they meet a man who doesn't rely on them for validation, it's refreshing. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about owning your imperfections and showing up as your authentic self. Want to build confidence? Start by setting goals and keeping promises to yourself. Each time you follow through, you're proving to yourself that you're capable. And that's where true confidence is born. Secret number 3. Ambition. Why goals make you irresistible. Here's a question for you. Are you chasing something bigger than yourself? Ambition is one of the most powerful traits a man can have. In a world where complacency is the norm, the man with a vision, a purpose, and a drive to improve himself, he's the one who stands out. Now let me be clear. Ambition doesn't mean working 80 hours a week or building a multi-million-dollar business. It simply means you're going somewhere. You have goals, a purpose, and you refuse to settle for mediocrity. Women are naturally drawn to men with ambition because it signals growth, stability, and excitement. When you're chasing your dreams, you're inviting her to be part of something bigger, and that's irresistible. Secret number 4. The bad boy appeal, what women can't resist. Ah, the bad boy. Women are drawn to them like moths to a flame. Why? It's not because they're jerks. It's the mystery, unpredictability, and emotional control they bring to the table. The bad boy doesn't apologize for who he is. He doesn't play by the rules or bend over backward for anyone. And that's exactly what makes him so appealing. Women don't want a man they can control. They want one who keeps them guessing. Now, here's the twist. You don't need to be a jerk to have that bad boy vibe. Keep some mystery about you. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away, and don't always be available. Let her wonder what you're up to. It creates intrigue. And most importantly, stay in control of your emotions. Whether she's upset or ecstatic, stay grounded. That emotional stability, it's irresistible. Secret number 5. Ignored attention, the power of scarcity. Here's a little secret. Women value what they have to work for. Attention that's too easy to get, it's meaningless. Think about it, DMs, likes, comments. Women get those non-stop. So when you don't hand out your attention like candy, it sets you apart. Ignore the urge to constantly text, compliment, or like every post. Step back. When you make her work for your attention, it becomes a rare commodity. And guess what? Scarcity creates value. She'll chase the attention you're not freely giving because now it's something worth having. Secret number 6. Preselection. Why being desired is a game changer. Have you ever noticed how guys surrounded by women seem more attractive? That's preselection at work. When women see that other women desire you, it flips a switch in their brain. He must be valuable. It's like when everyone's raving about the latest gadget. You want it too, right? Same principle here. Surround yourself with high-value women, even if they're just friends. When she sees you interacting confidently with other attractive women, it signals that you're a man of value. That's when she starts wondering, what makes him so special? Secret number 7. Masculinity, the strength women crave. Let's talk masculinity, the real kind. It's not about being aggressive or overly dominant. It's about strength, physical, emotional, and mental. Women are biologically wired to be drawn to men who make them feel safe and secure. True masculinity is about standing firm in your beliefs, staying calm under pressure, and leading with confidence. A lot of guys let emotions control them. They react to everything. But the men who remain calm, collected, and in charge, they're the ones who win. Take responsibility for your life. Stop blaming external circumstances, make confident decisions, and face challenges head-on. When you embody this energy, you create a sense of safety and stability that women naturally gravitate toward. Let's talk about leadership because women are naturally attracted to it. Now, don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean you need to be the CEO of some billion-dollar company. It's about how you lead in your interactions with her. Leadership is all about taking charge, making decisions, and showing that you know exactly where you're going in life. Women don't want a guy who's constantly second-guessing himself or always looking for her validation. Instead, they're drawn to someone who can guide them, not control them, just guide with confidence and purpose. Charismatic leadership is particularly magnetic because it's the perfect blend of authority and charm. You don't have to be overbearing or bossy to lead. True leaders show strength through their actions, their confidence, and their ability to make others feel valued. Think about it. When you know where you're going in life, it creates a sense of security and excitement for her. She'll feel drawn to your energy because you've got a plan, and that's irresistible. So next time you're on a date, take the lead. Plan the evening. Make decisions. Guide the conversation confidently. Women are attracted to men who take control of situations. It makes them feel safe and valued. Trust me, when you step into that leadership role, she'll naturally want to follow your lead. Secret number 9. Emotional intelligence. The secret to building a deep connection. Now here's a big one, emotional intelligence, and let me tell you, this is one of the most underrated qualities a man can have. A lot of guys think emotional intelligence means being overly sensitive or constantly emotional. But nope, that's not it. Emotional intelligence is about understanding your own emotions and hers. It's about knowing when to listen, when to speak, and when to simply give her some space. Women are emotional beings, and most men totally mess this up by trying to fix things when she opens up. Listen, she doesn't want you to solve all her problems. She just wants you to listen and understand. When you can do that, you'll build a connection so deep that most other guys can't even come close. And here's the kicker. Emotional intelligence also means staying in control of your own emotions. Women don't want a guy who's emotionally volatile or falls apart under pressure. They want someone who can stay calm and steady, no matter what life throws at him. So, the next time she's upset, don't jump in with solutions. Just listen. Let her vent. Acknowledge her feelings and show her empathy. That simple act of understanding can create a level of trust and intimacy that's incredibly powerful. Secret number 10. Passionate interests. Why purpose and passion make you magnetic. Let's talk about passion because honestly, this is one of the most attractive traits you can have as a man. When a woman sees that you're passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a personal goal, she's drawn to that energy. Why? Because passion shows that you have purpose. It shows that you're driven and not just coasting through life. But here's the deal. You have to pursue your passions for yourself, not for her. Too many guys try to fake passion just to impress a woman, and trust me, she'll see right through it. Authentic passion is magnetic because it's real. When you're genuinely passionate about something, you don't need to chase anyone. They'll naturally be drawn to you. Women want to be part of a man's journey, part of his mission. So find what drives you and go all in. Whether it's fitness, a side hustle, or a personal project, let your passion lead the way. When she sees your dedication and drive, she'll want to be part of your world. There you have it. 3 powerful traits that will not only make you irresistible, but also help you build stronger, more meaningful connections. And remember, this isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding female psychology and using that knowledge to level up your relationships. Most men don't get this. They're too busy chasing women or playing by the wrong rules. But not you. You now have the tools to flip the script and create a dynamic where women are drawn to you. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which trait surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep, unfiltered advice like this. Want to support the channel? Join the membership and help us create high-quality content to help more men like you. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and let's keep building this movement together. Until next time, take charge, stay confident, and keep leveling up.